Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix a very common error in Google Chrome that says, snap. Something went wrong while displaying this web page. If you are facing this issue again and again while opening websites, then this video is for you. So let's get started. This error usually happens due to corrupted browser files, faulty extensions, system issues, or compatibility problems. It can also appear when Chrome crashes while loading heavy web pages. But don't worry, I will guide you step by step to fix it easily. First, whenever you see this error, try clicking on the Reload button. Sometimes the page loads properly after refreshing. You can also try opening the same website in a new tab to check if the issue is temporary. But if it still doesn't work, close Google Chrome completely. Now find the Chrome icon on your desktop, or search for it using Windows Search. Right-click on it and click on Open File Location. Again, right-click on the Chrome application and click on Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the option Run this program in compatibility mode. Then select Windows 8 from the list. After that, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now again, right-click on Chrome and go to Properties. This time, look at the target field. Go to the end of the text, give a space, and type. No sandbox. Then click on Apply, click on Continue, and then click on OK. Now try opening Google Chrome again and check if the problem is fixed. In many cases, this simple tweak resolves the issue immediately. But if you are still getting the same error, then don't worry, we will move to the next solution. Open Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Now remove or disable any recently installed or unknown extensions. Sometimes extensions conflict with websites and cause this error. After disabling them, restart Chrome and check again. If Chrome is not opening properly or you cannot access extensions, then simply restart your computer once. After restarting, try opening Chrome again. Now let's move to another important step. Click on Windows Search and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now type the following command, sfc/scannow. Then press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair them. Wait until the process completes, as this step is very important. Once it is done, restart your computer again. After restarting, open Chrome and check if the error is gone. If the issue still continues, the final solution is to reinstall Google Chrome. Uninstall Chrome from your system. After reinstalling, Chrome should work smoothly without showing the snap error. So this is how you can fix the snap error in Google Chrome easily. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.